Homeowners, here's the easiest DIY you've ever done. Want to prevent must, mold, and moisture damage in your dishwasher? Here's how. Step 1. That's it. One step. Well, you gotta leave it like that for a few hours, preferably overnight, but that's passive. It's not really a step. Anyway, the point is, your dishwasher uses a tight rubber seal to keep the water in when it's running. That same seal will keep soap-scummy water residue trapped when it's not running, resulting in unpleasant odors and hard to get rid of mold if left unchecked. Opening the door to let the inside of your appliance air dry after each use will prevent the dreaded dank dishwasher. Worried about causing a tripping hazard for your careless kids or inattentive other half? Cracking the door open an inch or so should do the trick. Now, tell me that's not the easiest DIY you've ever done.